Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Race Dynamics FlashX module to your FZ25 BS6. As this is a plug and play unit, you will only get the FlashX unit and a wiring harness. Open up the rear and the front seat and remove all the indicator wires from its cover. Now we need to connect the wiring harness with its respective cables. As this is a plug and play unit, you don't need to splice any cable. We need to connect 4 cables, 2 for the indicator, 1 for the tail light, and the coupler is for the power. Every wire is color coordinated, so the installation is very easy. After connecting all the wires, we need to connect the FlashX unit at the other end of the harness. The activation pattern for FlashX is right, left, right, center. To change the pattern, right center or left center. It will not affect your regular toggle usage of turn indicators. You don't need any other switch to control the hazard. It is directly integrated with the default indicator switch. Another essential feature of FlashX is auto pause feature. As soon you activate any turn signal, it pauses the hazard light and activates turn indicator and activates the flasher unit after you deactivate the turn signal. Don't use your hazard lights while riding. Flashers should only be used while your vehicle is stopped or disabled on the road.